Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal Innovation School, morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 7. Our today's topic is oral sheet practice. My dear student, today is our lecture number 46 of annual term. Okay, and my dear student, we have no SW today. So let us start our class. Our topic is oral sheet practice. Okay. So the first question is, what do you mean by simplification of algebraic fraction? So notice, simplification of algebraic fraction means to transform two or more fractions associated with operational sign into one fraction or expression. My dear student, just like two fractions are given, a plus b plus c plus b. If we add these two numbers, then we get only one single fraction. Okay, this single fraction is the solution of the addition of two fraction. Okay, so this is called the simplification of the algebraic equation. Please notice an example. Twice x divided by 3 plus 4x divided by x. At first we find out the LCM of twice x and x. It is 2x. Now we divide this 2x by 2x, we get 1. That 1 is multiplied with this 3 and it will be 3, plus we divide this twice x by x, we get 2. That 2 is multiplied with the numerator, that means 8x. So notice, this is a single fraction. If we add these two fraction, then we get a single fraction, and this is the simplification of algebraic fraction. I hope you have understood. Question number 1 done. Next we shall solve question number 2. What do you mean by algebraic fraction? My dear student, if only the numerator or only the denominator or both numerator and denominators of any fraction are expressed by algebraic letter, symbol or expression, then it is called algebraic fraction. That means if only the numerator or denominator or numerator denominator both are expressed by algebraic letter or expression, then that is called algebraic fraction. Notice here a by 4. 4 is a number, numeric value, and a is the algebraic, a is the symbol of letter. For these reasons, numerator is the algebraic letter. A by 4, it is a fraction. On the other hand, 5 by b, b the denominator, which is algebraic letter. Twice a by a plus b, both numerator and denominators are the algebraic letters. Okay, I hope you have understood. Question number 3, what do you mean by reduction of fraction? Reduction of fraction. Notice, reduction of fraction means to transfer the fraction into its lowest term. My dear student, at first we notice an example. Notice, this is 3x and this is 12. Okay, now we notice this is 3x, this is 12. We cut this both numerator and denominator by 4. If we by 3, if we divide 12 by 3, then we get 4. If we divide 3x by 3, then we get x. So we get x by 4, and it is the lowest term of 3x by 12, and it is called the reduction of fraction. Which fraction? 3x by 12. I hope you have understood. Question number 3 is done. Next, question number 4. What do you mean by transposition law? Transposition law, if any term of any equation is transposed directly from one side to another side by changing its sign, this transposition is called the transposition law. Please notice, twice x plus 3 equal to 5. Here twice x plus 3 equal to 5. This is a equation. We want to solve this. Twice x equal to 5 minus 3. This 3 changes its position to the right hand side, and its sign will be changed. That means here plus and it will be minus, and this is called the transposition law. I hope you have understood. Question number 5. What do you mean by the law of cross multiplication? My dear student, before read this question, at first I see example. A by B equal to C by D. This is the This is left hand side and this is right hand side. Okay. Cross multiplication, that means this is numerator and this is denominator. This is numerator and this is denominator. Cross multiplication, that means we multiply this one and we multiply this one and this one. That means the introduction of these two fractions of cross multiplication is numerator of the LCM multiplied with denominator of the RHS. I repeat, sorry, numerator of the LHS multiplied with denominator of the RHS equal to denominator of the LHS multiplied with numerator of the RHS. Okay, just like this, numerator of LHS multiply denominator with RHS equal denominator of LHS multiply numerator of RHS. This is called the cross multiplication. I hope you have understood. Next, my dear student, we shall solve question number 6. Notice, in which quadrant the position of the point 2, -2. Notice, two mutually perpendicular straight line, they intersect at point O. This is called x prime OX and this is called YO Y prime. My dear student, these two intersecting straight line create 4 quadrant. Create how many quadrants? 4 quadrant. This is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Okay. In this quadrant, the plus value will be placed. In this quadrant, minus and plus value will be set. In this quadrant, minus and minus value will be set up. In this quadrant, plus and minus value will be set. My dear student, notice, one, in which quadrant the position of the 2 -2, that means here first one is plus and the second one is minus, that means plus minus. Which quadrant? Notice this quadrant, plus and minus. So fourth quadrant. So this position of 2, -2 is in fourth quadrant. I hope you have understood question number 4. Next we shall solve question number 6. Next we shall solve question number 7. Here, what do you mean by area? An enclosed space is a region and the measurement of the region is called area. Question number 7 done. Question number 8. 1 kilometer is equal to how many miles? And it will be 1 kilometer equal to 0.62 miles. Next, what is the formula for area of parallelogram? Area of parallelogram region equal to base multiply height, unit square. Notice, this is a parallelogram. This is a parallelogram and this is base and its height is this one. So if we multiply base with height, then we get the area of the parallelogram. So question number 9 is done. Next, question number 10. What is the formula of area of triangle? Area of triangle equal to half into base multiply height. Half into base multiply height. We have already memorized this in our previous classes, from our previous classes. Question number 11. What is the volume of liquids? Volume of liquids, the space occupied by the liquid is called the volume of the liquid. I repeat, the space occupied by liquids is the volume of the liquid. Question number 12. What is the formula for finding perimeter of a rectangle? It is so easy. We have already learned this. Perimeter of a rectangle equal to 2 into length plus width. Notice, perimeter of a rectangle equal to 2 into length plus width. Question number 13. What is the formula for finding speed of a boat with current? Speed of a boat with current, that means the speed of boat minus the actual speed of boat plus speed of current. I repeat, what is the formula for finding speed of a boat with current? That means a boat is moving with current. For this reason, the speed of boat plus speed of current will be the speed of boat with current. I hope you have understood. Question number 14. What is the formula for finding speed of boat against the current? Against the current. That means speed of the boat against the current equal to actual speed of boat minus speed of the current, speed of the stream. That because speed of the stream is the obstacle to speed of boat. For these reasons, subtraction is happened. That means minus sign is happened here. Question number 15. What do you mean by rational numbers? Rational number means a number which can be expressed in the form of a fraction of two natural numbers is called a rational number. Is called a rational number, just like 1, 4, 3 by 5, etc. Question number 16. What do you mean by irrational number? That means the opposite of this definition of rational number. Irrational number, a number which cannot be expressed in the form of fraction. In the form of fraction of two natural numbers is called an irrational number. Okay. 17 number. What are the rational number? That means what are the examples of rational numbers? My student, 0, all natural numbers and all fractions are the rational numbers. I repeat it. What are the rational numbers? 0, all natural numbers and fractions are rational numbers. Question number 18. What is the condition to be a triangle? My dear student, please notice this point. This is very important for you. Okay. This question must be asked in your oral test. Okay. What is the condition to be a triangle? The sum of two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side, and it is the condition of to be a triangle. To be a triangle, I repeat, the sum of two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. Okay. Notice 5 and 4. Okay. 5 and 4. If I add this number 5 and 4, then it will be 9. So the next number must be greater than this two side. That means it will be 10. Okay. Now you add any of these two sides and you get which is greater than the third one. Just like if I add 5 plus 4, which is greater than, sorry, no, it will be 8. Yes, this time it is correct. My dear student, if I add any of two numbers, then it must be greater than the third one. 5 plus 4 we get 9, and 9 is greater than 8. Again, if I add these two, 8 plus 4 it will be 12, and it is greater than 5. If I add 5 with 8, then it is 13. It is greater than 4. I hope you have understood. Dear student, so from this we can take a decision that if I add any two sides of a triangle which is greater than the third side. Question number 20. Question number 90. What do you mean by congruence of triangle? My dear students, if a triangle when placed on another exactly covers the other, the triangles are congruent. That means this is a triangle. Okay. And this is another triangles. If I place this triangle on this triangle, then if it is covers the whole triangle, then it is called the congruent with each other. That means if a triangle when placed on another exactly covers the other, then triangles are called congruent triangles. Question number 20. What is the formula of range? Formula of range equal to highest number minus lowest number plus 1. My dear students, highest number minus lowest number plus 1. Notice 2, 4, 1, 5, 8, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 here, 6 numbers are given. Okay, 6 numbers given. What is the highest value? Highest value is 8. So 8 minus lowest value 1. So plus on, formulas on. If I subtract, then I get 7, 7 plus 1, that means 8. So the range is 8. So what is the formula of range? Range means highest number minus lowest number plus 1. Okay. Question number 21. What is the formula for finding number of classes of the data? Dear student, classes of number of data, here highest number minus lowest number plus 1 divided by class interval. My dear students, notice highest number minus lowest number plus 1 divided by class interval. if highest number minus lowest number plus 1 equal to range, then you can also say that range divided by class interval and we get the number of classes of the data. I hope you have understood. I repeat, if you told me that range divided by class interval, then it will be also okay, because highest number minus lowest number plus 1 is the formula of range. Okay, I hope you have understood, my dear student. This is our today's oral sheet and you must memorize this very carefully. Okay, practice more and more times, then it will be easier for you and you can easily solve the question. And you must not only memorize but also understand, okay, by example. In your oral test, just like I give you what is the condition to be a triangle. For these reasons I give you 3 sides, 1, 2 and 3. I ask you, these 3 sides make a triangle or not, then you can add, then you can understand 1 plus 2, it will be 3, which is equal to 3, but it's not greater than 3. For these reasons it can't make a triangle. Just like this you can understand this one. Just like the 18 number question, you can memorize the other one also. So I hope you have understood. Dear students, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, assalamu alaikum.